The Kabra Jewels IPO is an SME IPO opening from January 15th to January 17th, 2025, with a price band of rupees 121 to rupees 128 per share. The IPO size is 31,25,000 shares, aggregating up to rupees 40 crores, entirely as a fresh issue. The minimum lot size is 1,000 shares, amounting to rupees 1,28,000. The listing will take place on NSE SME, with Giriraj Stockbroking Private Limited acting as the market maker. The shares will be credited to demat accounts by January 21st, 2025, and the tentative listing date is January 22nd, 2025. Kabra Jewels Limited, operating under the KK Jewels brand, generates its primary revenue from selling gold, diamond, and silver jewelry through its 6 retail showrooms in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Their sustainability of these revenue streams hinges on a number of factors. The demand for jewelry is sensitive to economic conditions. Fluctuations in gold prices directly impact the company's profitability. The company operates in a fragmented market with established competition. However, the company's business model is not diversified, heavily relying on a single geographic market in the volatile jewelry industry. Their growth strategy centers on creating unique jewelry that caters to customer preferences and market trends, optimizing inventory to ensure a fresh and diverse product selection, marketing and brand building, building strong relationships to foster customer loyalty, and introducing new categories, designs, and materials to meet evolving demands. The gems and jewelry industry in India is a significant sector, contributing approximately 7% to the nation's GDP and employing over 5 million individuals. The industry also plays a major role in foreign exchange earnings, accounting for roughly 15% of India's total exports. The market is projected to reach $100 billion by 2027. Peer comparison, Kabra Jewels Limited competes with notable players such as Motison's Jewelers, DP Abhushan, and RBZ Jewelers. Kabra Jewels has demonstrated consistent revenue growth, reporting rupees 164 crores in FY 2024, smaller than DP Abhushan, rupees 2,339 crores 96 lakhs, Motison's Jewelers, rupees 416 crores 76 lakhs, and RBZ Jewelers, rupees 327 crores 43 lakhs. Its profit after tax PAT margin of 5.73% is higher than DP Abhushan, 2.64%, but lower than Motison's, 7.73%, and RBZ, 6.59%. Kabra outperforms its peers in return on net worth, RONW, with 30.25%, particularly against Motison's, 9.82%, and RBZ, 10.4%. Kabra shows strong return on capital employed, ROCE, of 18.23%, surpassing Motison's, 13.83%, and RBZ, 13.52%, but trailing DP Abhushan, 23.02%. Operationally, Kabra's EBITDA margin of 13.31% is higher than DP Abhushan, 4.28%, and RBZ, 11.75%, but lower than Motison's, 15.13%, indicating strong efficiency. With a P/E ratio of 10.16, Kabra is attractively valued compared to peers Motison's, 37.22, DP Abhushan, 30.08, and RBZ, 27.97, reflecting strong management and robust profitability relative to its size. Company analysis strengths. Kabra Jewels boasts strong brand recognition through KK Jewels, established since 2010 in Ahmedabad, and a dedicated design team delivering innovative and culturally reflective jewelry. The company prioritizes quality control, transparency, and personalized customer service, fostering loyalty. With experienced leadership from founder Mr. Kailash Kabra, Kabra leverages its expertise in design and local artisan relationships. Weaknesses: its limited geographic reach, with 6 retail outlets concentrated in Ahmedabad, exposes it to regional market risks. Dependence on a few suppliers heightens supply chain vulnerabilities. Competition from established brands that may offer better pricing or marketing strategies. Moreover, fluctuating gold prices affect profit margins and revenue lags behind larger competitors. Opportunities: Kabra can expand into new cities, including Tier 3 and Tier 4 markets, and capitalize on the e-commerce boom. Diversifying into new jewelry categories and materials can attract broader customer bases and boost revenue. Threats. The company faces intense competition from larger brands and unorganized players, changing consumer preferences, and economic slowdowns that could impact discretionary spending. Valuation of the company, Kabra Jewels, Limited's IPO price band of rupees 121 to rupees 128 per share, results in a PE ratio of 10.16 based on FY25 annualized earnings, which is significantly lower than peers like Modison's Jewelers, 37.22, and RBZ Jewelers, 27.97. This suggests the IPO is reasonably priced compared to competitors, making it potentially attractive for investors. The issue price will be finalized within the band through a book-building process based on market demand. The company's valuation growth is reflected in its rupees 50 per share price during a fixed issuance in 2011 and a bonus share issuance at a 15-to-1 ratio in August 2024. These factors, coupled with Kabra Jewels' solid financial performance and competitive pricing, position the IPO as an opportunity for investors seeking value. IPO details. Kabra Jewels aims to raise rupees 40 crores through its IPO by issuing 31,25,000 equity shares at a price band of rupees 121 to rupees 128 per share. The net proceeds will be allocated as follows: rupees 10 crores for repaying borrowings, rupees 22 crores for working capital, and the remaining funds for general corporate purposes. The promoter shareholding, currently at 89.12%, will decrease to 62.55% post-IPO due to the issuance of new shares. While the specific lock-in period for promoters is not detailed, it typically ranges from 6 months to 3 years. Financial performance. Kabra Jewels has shown steady growth in total income. Revenue from operations has grown consistently over the 3-year period. Profitability. The company has been profitable, and its profit after tax, PAT, has increased significantly in the latest financial year. To summarize, investing in the Kabra Jewels IPO could be promising due to its strong financial performance, differentiated business model, and growth potential. However, consider market volatility and competition risks. Given its competitive pricing relative to peers and strategic growth plans focusing on customization and local market penetration, investors may see moderate returns over medium to long-term horizons if gold prices stabilize. Assess your risk tolerance and investment goals before proceeding, as thorough due diligence is essential.